Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This should be a fun one. DreameX50 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It's got some pretty cool features here. I mean, it mops, vacuums, handles all that stuff itself. It has a little docking station it goes to. Let's get this thing unboxed, shall we? We have a quick start guide, little station. Like usually this goes like the bottom of the docking station. So we've got the little treads here so they can just cruise right up on there. Instruction manual, very cool. Mop heads things. These have like neodyne magnets on them, so they just stick in. No tools required. A little vacuum bag accessory. Here we have a cleaning solution, so help you mop. Nice charging or a plug-in cable there. Cleaner here, very cool. It's got a little hook thing, so you can, if it's got hair tangled in there, and clean that out. That extends, no way. That's a cool little brush there. That's everything in this box. Low profile, so it can crawl under furniture, beds, things like that very easily. Check out the bottom there. These feature nice anti-tangle brushes here. Usually the hair doesn't get mixed up in it. So with these just go right in here, just fit right in. So those are little mopping heads. And check this one out. This one actually moves out. So a lot of times you can't really get corners very well with these because they're round and corners are square or they have an edge there. This comes out. You can see it runs this little track right there, excuse me. And that like allows this to move out and actually get the corners more. The little sweeper brush, this one will be able to get the corners all the way. This guy weighs about 10, 15 pounds. Yeah, those wheels are like burly too, like off-road tires. Okay, just lift with that. Take that off of there. Don't wanna, okay, yeah. So it has that little handle there. These are just magnets that hold these on there. That's cool. We have our little vacuum bag right here. Oh, check that out, that's cool. So we have our little reservoir here so we can just put our cleaning agent in there. It says to use only specifically stuff for that, so mindful of that. So that is nice. This thing's just gonna go right on here. This does like heat up the water when it's cleaning the mop heads too, the little mop things. This station looks like you won't have to mess with it for a while. Basically, it'll just go clean your house. So you got the clean reservoir, filled it up with water. Just this little tab right here just lifts up, and then this just sets down gently right into here. Here's the cord, just plug it in right here. And then it has this nice little feature on the back where you can just kind of wrap this up. So you can literally hook up some hoses, water plug kit, and it'll, if you have a automatic drain stuff, you don't even have to refill the water stuff. It'll just take care of it. So if you had like an inlet, a water inlet, and a drain here, that would do all that. So really cool. I'm just gonna turn this on now. All right, we're gonna add the cleaner, a little tank here. So we're just gonna pull this out and we're gonna just put it directly into here and it will dilute. It does its own dilution there. Okay, close that up just like that. And then this just goes right in there. I like that, that's so smooth. Okay, Dreame, I'm here. Map my house. Clean up objects on the ground. Here we go. So started mapping, and then it says it's going to take about 5 minutes. Open up all the doors and get stuff up off the ground. You can see the map is like kind of being made real time. So it doesn't even go. What was cool, it didn't even like have to go all the way around all the edges and everything. It just like shined its little light in there, and it can see like my whole house there. It's crazy. All right, so it just got done, and this is pretty crazy. It knew the primary bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining hall. I didn't label these. It just told what it was. So here is the camera on the thing, and we can steer it around. We do auto, manual. I can turn the light on. So if we go manual, the light's right there. You can see it comes on there. Make it brighter, less, do auto, take a pictures, video, film, I can talk. All right, here is the carpet challenge. We have hairballs, we got dust, we got garbanzo beans, rice, coffee grounds, just a big mess here, and let's see how Dreame handles it. All right, friends, so I set the zone for this specifically only to clean this area of the carpet, and this was such a big mess with garbanzo beans, rice, hair, coffee grounds, pet hair, lots of dust, and I just set it. I like that using the app you can just customize your cleaning area, so obviously this is a really big mess, and I just set it to go over it 3 times. It got everything, most everything with 1 pass, but the triple clean, and I adjusted the max setting for suction, and it just did an amazing job.
Completed. Returning to the dock to charge.
What do you got, Dreame? I'll flip you over.
Wheels are not in contact with the ground.
Okay.
Please reposition the robot to
Oh my
ensure
goodness. Wow, that's impressive. I would have thought there would be a bunch of hair clogged up in there. Even that, all those hairs that I got didn't get clogged in here at all. Oh, there it is. That's so cool. No way. So this carpet here, it couldn't get up on it normally, so it's rising up on its little legs. Look at that. And climbing up onto it. Look at that, cleaning right along the edge. Not really missing anything there. Robots and pets get along just fine. Right, Boogie?
Find your pet successfully. Start returning to charge.
Hi, Boogie. What do you think? What do you think of it, huh? Okay. So I've created this little obstacle course here, but it's not going to be easy because you've got obstacles all over the place. First off, so I got a cell phone in the way. Easily cruises by the cell phone. Oh, what's that? Uh-oh. We got to figure something out here. Is there enough space to go by? Maybe not. Okay. Just enough to get through there. Nicely done. Uh-oh, there's a towel. What are we gonna do? Go around the towel. And uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's this? Oh, no, you didn't. What? Dreame says, no problem. I'm just going to go right over this. One final obstacle to get to. Can Dreame do it? I don't know if that's too low or not. It's pretty low. Oh, it lowers the thing. It went down. Can it go on? Oh my goodness. Oh no, I spilled some ketchup and some coffee and some's under the door there. Okay, Dreame.
I'm here.
Clean here.
Okay, I'm coming to clean up there. Please stay put for a moment while I locate you.
Here's the mess right here. I'm standing right here. And there is some under there.
Coming to clean now.
And here she comes to clean. All right, let's see how she does. Oh, that one spot's gone already. So if you have debris or anything else under there, that little sweeper extends and gets that out, and also the mop extends, and you see the robot turns and like extends that under as far as it can to clean. So very impressive. Did a good job. I like the spot cleaning feature. And here's the door, and you see it got all the coffee there, which is nice. Let's check under the pads real quick and see how dirty the pads are after cleaning the coffee and the ketchup there. So there's the pads. Not too bad, actually. Didn't spread out any coffee or stuff over there.
Wheels are not in contact with the ground.
All right, sorry
Please
about that.
reposition the robot and start it again.
Okay. All right, when you select only vacuuming, it drops off the mop heads. So this next challenge, we have garbanzo beans, rice, coffee grounds, and hair. And we got it right in the corner there, as we can see. And this is kind of like under this area here. And we'll see how well it does here. Well, it extends out the little thing. So it did get everything out of the corner, which is I've never seen before with a robot vacuum. Okay, so this is the mop cleaning station here. And you can see I've been using this for a few days now, and it's nice and clean still. This uses really hot water to clean the pads and dry them. And then we look at our mop pads here, and they're just slightly damp, but look how clean they are. Still not a single hair entangled in this. This truly is tangle-free. I'm really impressed with that. It's been mopping for a while. I'm going to add some fresh water to the clean water tank. And check out this water here. Ew, little dirty there. This is the clean water on the right side. Close the lid. There's almost too much stuff on this app to mention in this amount of time, but there's so many things it can do. It can go take pictures of your pet. It can go find your pet. You can do all kinds of, you can do deep cleanings. You can clean only carpets. You can have it set for pet areas. It tells you the battery life. All right, friends, well, final thoughts on this DreameX50. This thing does a great job. It'll clean your whole house, no problem. The app is super user-friendly. I like the voice activation. I like the customization on the map. It shows you your whole house and everything. The video on there finds your pets, gives you pictures, a whole ton of extras. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link it in the description below. That link is going to be for the DreameX50 Ultra Complete, which is actually everything you see here, and then extra accessories. Got a water hookup kit, extra little cleaners, extra mop pads, and cleaning solutions. So I'm going to provide that code and the link in the description below. It's going to give you everything you see here and all those extras. So it's going to be a great deal, guys. If you want a nice clean house and you don't have to worry about cleaning it yourself or paying someone else to do it, this guy does a great job. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a good day, and I'll catch you next time.